नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं हूँ ईशा बिष्ट।
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ सुनैना शर्मा।
और आज का जो बीडीएफ का सेशन है हैशटैग सैटरडे फॉर सक्सेस, उसमें हम सपना चावला मैम को ऑनलाइन लेंगे। सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर मैम टू कम ऑनलाइन सो दैट वी कैन ऐड हर। यस।
Yeah, we'll just start, ma'am. So we'll wait, ma'am, for ma'am to join, and then we'll start our session.
Can you see me now? Am I audible?
Yeah. Hello,
I-
ma'am. How are
हेलो
you?
मैम।
I'm fine. I'm fine.
ओके, सो व्यूअर्स को बताना चाहूँगी, टुडे वी हैव बिफोर अस सपना चावला मैम। मैम एक प्रोफेशनली बहुत ज़्यादा ओरिएंटेड पर्सन है और वो कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट में विश्वास रखती हैं। वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सपोर्ट प्रोवाइड करती हैं बहुत कॉजेज़ के लिए, बी इट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट और बी इट हेल्थ, बी इट फैमिली, बी इट न्यूट्रिशन। सो वी कैन से दैट वन एंड ऑल दैट मैम इज़ अ मल्टीटास्कर व्हेन इट कम्स टू वर्क.
Yeah.
Also on top of that, she also takes counseling and therapy for people sometimes, and on top of that she also does a lot of relief work. So ma'am is basically a person who can add to the development of your organization, whether it's just organizational development or personal development. So with this, thank you viewers for joining us, and thank you ma'am for being with us today.
Yeah.
So we'll now
And
start the session.
And an honor.
yeah. So basically, yeah, yes, ma'am.
I said you people are doing such a wonderful job, all you young people. It's very, very creditable, and I'm extremely proud of you all and the work that you people are doing.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much
thank you
ma'am.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So मैं अपने viewers को पहले से दोबारा से बता देना चाहूँगी that this segment that we are doing is hashtag Saturday for Success में. And so we'll begin our interview session, ma'am. And so basically, my first question to you is that, ma'am, you've been associated with various schools, and one of the schools which you were a principal of even received like the best school award, which was like the first for its hits in its history. So could you please tell us about your experience of your association with these different schools?
I before I specifically answer your question, I would like to
Yeah.
explain to you that why does my CV talk about so many different diverse kind of things that I have put there. So I'm a member of AFA, that is the Air Force Vice Welfare Association.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
The armed forces, it is believed that जब आपके husband कुछ command करते हैं कोई unit या कुछ, तो he is not only taking over machine, it is man and machine. तो उनके अंडर जितने भी लोग हैं वो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और ये एक 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं है ना मेरे लिए एज हिज स्पाउस एंड एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द एयरफोर्स फैमिली नॉर फॉर हिम. इसमें हर चीज इंक्लूडेड है, बच्चों की एजुकेशन, हमारे मेन और उनके परिवार का मानसिक तत्व कैसे, मेंटल हेल्थ, रोड एक्सीडेंट्स, इट कैन बी ऑब्वियसली फिजिकल हेल्थ के लिए तो है, एंटरटेनमेंट उनका, बिकॉज वी आर इन फार फ्लंग प्लेसेस जहाँ पे कर्फ्यू टाइप सिचुएशन होती है, बाहर नहीं जा सकते, तो यू हैव टू कीप देम एंटरटेन्ड ऑल्सो. इट कांट बी ओनली जस्ट वर्क वर्क एंड नो प्ले, बिकॉज उससे
True,
बहुत
ma'am. Yeah.
होती है. सो you are judged by a lot of things. You are judged by not only your competence in your operational field but also कि आपके अंडर लोग कितने स्वस्थ हैं, कितने बहुत फिजिकली एज वेल एज मेंटली कितने साउंड है, और उनका परिवार भी कितना how well the parivar is also progressing, because finally we have a happy family to be able to extract that kind of work that we extract from our men. So there is this organization that is formed. तो इसमें हमारे यहाँ पे सब कुछ करना पड़ता है. We look after the छोटे छोटे हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं फार फ्लंग प्लेसेस में, उनको चलाना पड़ता है. बच्चों के लिए एजुकेशन के लिए स्कूल्स होते हैं, again very far away from a city जहाँ पे other opportunities are not there. So you have to make everything available for them. Tuition classes चलाने पड़ते हैं ऑनलाइन, लोगों के साथ टाई अप करके. Nowadays thanks to this online platform, आकाश
Yeah.
बायजूस उनके साथ टाई अप करके वो करना पड़ता है. We have thrift shops inside, क्योंकि बाहर से सामान लाना मुश्किल है, people can't go out. So everything right from एक सुई से लेके बड़ी चीज तक सब चीजें available करनी पड़ती है. So all this is there, and then marital problems आजकल तो is on the rise for various reasons. So that also has to be addressed, because we don't want an unhappy person under us, so that also needs to be looked after. तो इस तरह से इट स्टार्ट्स, जो एक भावना होती है सर्विस की, वो पहले तो अपने परिवार और अपने अंडर, यही मैं अपने आप परिवार बोल रही हूँ, इज लाइक द मेन अंडर यू, वहां से शुरुआत होती है. Then we extend it maybe to the villages around us. So you adopt a village, then you look at the problems that are there in a village. और उसके बाद जब भी कोई natural disaster होता है जहाँ पे relief चाहिए, तो but naturally you see a big, in a very big way, armed forces people do pitch in. So
true, ma'am.
again gives you a lot of logistic support है, infrastructure है, उसके बारे में भी काफी जानकारी प्राप्त हो जाती है. So then you put it to better use, and that is how I got pulled in all this and interested in all this. So I've been partnering with Sumitra Prasad, जिनको आपने पहले इंटरव्यू किया था, और उनके
Yes,
साथ
ma'am.
काफी रिलीफ वर्क किया हुआ है. केरला फ्लड के टाइम, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में कठमांडू अर्थक्वेक के टाइम, चेन्नई फ्लड्स के टाइम. So I have been partnering with them in all their projects. I look after the logistics and the logistics chain of it, and the project manager for that particular episode that we have. Now we coming back to the schools that we have. So
Yes, ma'am.
हमारा स्कूल इसलिए अलग था कि पहले एक सेंसरी पार्क का जो कॉन्सेप्ट था, that was only sensory learning was only restricted to people who are differently abled. And we are the first ones who integrated it into a pre-primary school. So pre-primary and preschoolers जिसे बोलते हैं, उनकी शिक्षा हमने ये sensory park के through in a very interactive and integrated way, we have come up with that whole concept of curriculum that is based on sensory play. So our school was one of the first in the country to do so, and that is how for almost 4 years continuously it's been getting the best school prize. So and slowly the same different innovative methods of education we have brought in for higher classes also. Like आपको पता है normal tinkering labs तो होते ही हैं सब स्कूल में, but we go far beyond that and encourage people to invent and come up with very creative things. So ये तो it will require an entire whole episode to tell you what all we do. But in part that I can tell you is about this. It is a very creative and a very application-based learning that we have in our school.
Okay.
That's really great,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I
that
think,
is commendable. The Rai Foundation is showing their full support through comments. That ma'am has got on-point organizational skills, logistical genius, caring, and will go all out to cater to a cause. So I think they are extremely proud to have you. We are extremely, I think, lucky that we
to
have you
here,
before us. Because even before this, when we interviewed Sumitra ma'am and Veena Pani ma'am, they were like, Swapna ma'am ko bulaya, Swapna ma'am ko bulaya, because that is how enthusiastic everyone is about you. And your skills are on point. तो उसी के साथ साथ मैं ये भी पूछना चाहूंगी कि what all programs, like can you shed a bit of light on the programs जो आपने undertake किए हैं as the president of Air Force Wife Welfare Association?
Yes. So one of the things we realized कि अभी अब इतना अच्छा स्कूल बना लिया and इतना अच्छा infrastructure है, but it is getting utilized only from 7:30 to 2:30 in the afternoon. The rest of the time, this entire setup is lying unused. So then we started getting, below the poverty line, जितने भी workers around that area थे, and we got them and we called it Vidya Kiran classes. And after 2:30 to 6:30, we were running classes for these children. So these children, as soon as they came into the thing, we started the lunch for them, and thereafter started the classes for them. And they were getting the same kind of education, same level of education that our children are getting. The same thing was made available to them. So that was one thing. Then we collected about 3,500 sets of CBSE books, right from first standard to 10th standard. And there is this North India Church Association in Panchkula, Chandigarh, where there is one lady who's running a school for slum children in her thing. So that entire tenure that I was there in Ambala, I was AFA president in Ambala. We ensured that every year she got this 3,500 sets of books, not 3,500 books, but the entire set. And we gave it to her, and she could successfully run this thing for, this period of time. And now, of course, whoever is there in Ambala, they're continuing to do so. So this is one project that we helped out in. Then I have also been looking at a school in Jhalpura. This is in Bandipur, Jammu and Kashmir.
Okay.
Working with Dorai, trying to again integrate different, the space is very less. There are just 3 rooms, a dilapidated thing, but we have to integrate so many different classes and so many different levels of people there. So they required a little hand holding, and we had to tell them like how you can do this, different timings, and there are certain ways of doing it, that some maths and some language courses can be done across all age groups. So this all we have told them about this. And of course, relief, the Kerala relief was one of the biggest that we did. I think if I'm not mistaken, and Durai Foundation was the first NGO that reached North Wayanad, where the tribal people were staying. Nobody else reached there. And that entire thing had collected in Ambala, and I tied up with AIMS, and they gave us more than 3.5 lakh rupees of medicine. So we just, medicines cannot be just distributed like this to people. So with the help of the Rai Foundation, who Mrs. Sumitra Prasad, who traveled all the way in this, in the floods all the way to Kerala, we got the local administration on board and then set up a small dispensary in North Wayanad where this medicine was, given. So that required a medical assistant and a compounder and a doctor who visited every week there, do this. So that was like, I think, one of the most satisfying thing, at least for me, to in all the relief work that I have done. And of course, besides that, the normal jo apna hota hai, that ration and clothes and the tarpaulins and plastic mats, because you need to keep everyone dry when there are floods. That's the first line of thing, that you give bleach to remove all the the cleaning things. And that we I think we sent around almost about 27 tons of material across Kerala. So that was one big operation that we did. Similarly, we have done in Jammu and Kashmir also during the floods, and I've done Chennai floods also. So maybe I can say that I'm a flood specialist.
Okay, we'll go with that. Flood specialist. I think, ma'am, you are believing in comprehensive development, not just for men or children, but you believe in women empowerment as well. And that is the beautiful thing in itself.
And also, ma'am, I think like whatever you explained about, your association, like how you helped in all those flood relief programs, be it in Kerala or be it in Jammu and Kashmir. So, ma'am, my next question to you is that what were the challenges or the inspiration and the inspiration also that that you thought that this is the program that I need to go forward with, and I need to utilize my skills into it. So, could you please tell us more about it?
Kashmir, what had happened is we had 2 very large tenures in Kashmir. So I can say that soul is in Kashmir, Kashmir though is like my absolutely, and I genuinely believe that if you want to integrate Kashmir in India in the proper way, it cannot be done without development. And it is really required. I mean, once you go there, you realize how neglected that state has been. True, we have pumped in a lot of money, but then there are a lot of other issues. Things have not been done the way it should be. So I always wanted to do something for Kashmir, and I've had some very, very good experiences with the people of Kashmir, and I have very close friends there also. So when this flood happened, and I must tell you, Sumitra Prasad also came to Kashmir for the, I think first time when I was there, and she did a lot of work with differently abled people around Avantipura. Avantipura is, what a hotbed for terrorism it is today. But she has worked extensively there, and that was when she came to visit me in Kashmir when we were posted there. And from there, the Kashmir journey started, and we were very sure that Kashmir requires help, and we will go there. And I want to tell you that when we landed up with all this material in this Srinagar, if you just dropped a pebble, there would be an NGO that would spring up in Srinagar. That many number of NGOs were working in Srinagar. So we realized that this is not what we want to do. We don't want to be just one more run-of-the-mill NGO there. So Sumitra Prasad, I don't know whether she's told you this, but she actually got into a canoe and she was rowing and she went to Jhalpura. That is how she first reached Jhalpura village. Literally, she rode all the way Srinagar to Jhalpura in a boat because everything was submerged in water. And that is how this whole adoption of this Jhalpura village and this thing started. So on the grassroots, the field worker is Sumitra Prasad. I do the collection of material, sending it, the planning, that part of it I look after. But what she does is something that I really can't even imagine how she does it, but she's the one.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, I think you really cater to like
Yeah.
social development, comprehensive development of people in different communities. People like us were actually scared कि JNK में नहीं जाना, अभी conflict वाला area है वो है. And ऐसे times में during flood, like when all this is ongoing, when all this is like this is still a hot topic, you're going there and you're helping the people out. That in itself is a very commendable thing. तो ma'am,
And I think it's
hmm,
also an inspiration for most of the NGOs out there because, as you mentioned, that during that time there were like so many NGOs that kept on popping up. But to actually do something, to actually make a
hmm,
mark, you need to have that kind of
hmm.
strength. I would say that kind of determination, that kind of zeal, and it's great to hear your story out like this. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we previously also talked about this with ma'am, like with Sumitra ma'am and Vinapani ma'am. We talked about this. कि now NGOs are like they have this competitive spirit. एक
Yeah.
दूसरे से अच्छा करना है. And on top of that, seeing you with NGOs or with ma'am, with the Durai
Yeah.
Foundation, all coming together, I think that in itself is a beautiful thing. Even BDF joining in hands. So that's a beautiful thing. Hmm.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah. We require, there's so much to learn from you people, yeah. You guys are so full of ideas, especially the tech knowledge of like the jargon. I can't talk the way you people do. I do not know those the words that you people use.
Hmm.
This that we need to learn from you. And then I would say Veena Pani is a big help because she's a life coach, and she
Yes,
has
ma'am.
ability to project it in the correct way. She's very good with statistics, extremely methodical. I think we work a little bit more haphazardly. She, reins in everybody. So we all have our strengths and weaknesses, and she's very clear cut about it has to be done in this particular way. So she,
Yeah.
she gives a direction to the whole thing, and a very beautiful direction. That is how Shakkarpara project has reached, across pan India to so many families. It's all thanks
Yeah.
to very methodical and very meticulous way of functioning. And she's very good with feedback, huh? And extremely, she keeps a tag on every. She's multitasking. We should look at which area, what is happening, and she keeps everybody on there too. So that is how.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, with regard to that, my next question, शक्करपारा प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताइए.
So it initially it started off by like she's also from the army background. She's an army officer's wife.
Yes,
We
yes.
thought of Shakkarpara was something that was given to the Kargil soldiers to carry
Yes, ma'am.
them because it gives you an instant burst of energy. So deep fried and tea and sugar and maida, and plus you can actually go less to the toilet. I mean, the requirements are different. You can stuff yourself, but you can get a lot of things. So we had initially thought that these migrant laborers are walking everywhere. People are giving them ready-made khana, at various things. But sometimes in this heat, you don't feel like when you reach a particular picket that is giving you khana, you may not want to eat, and then when you carry it, the heat was so much there, it would get spoiled. So what should we give them that will sustain their, give them energy and sustain their walking? And that was the idea behind that. And we started off with making shakkar paras and giving it. But then it had its, we did do a substantial amount of that. But that's very short-lived thing. We realized we needed to do something much more because it's just not the migrant laborers. Daily wages also who have to be, looked at. And then we got into this ration distribution. And then, of course, it was like identifying the correct people who would be, trustworthy enough to understand our vision and, have the same kind of an integrity and the same kind of a motivation that the three of us had and carry our vision forward. And it is all thanks to you and the other people with whom we have partnered who made this come true. And all three of us have, been blessed to be associated with such nice people.
That's really great,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we
I
are
think.
equally blessed, equally lucky that we took all three powerful women on board. You, Sumitra ma'am,
And
and then
Veena
Veena
Pani
Pani
ma'am, yeah.
ma'am.
And I think more than that, it was great to apart from reading about whatever you guys did, I think apart from that, to first hand to hear about all such stories about everything that you all three of you did. I think it was an experience in itself, and I think
And I think we are learning a lot from these three dynamic women.
That's very true. And ma'am, with this, my next question to you is that, ma'am, you had your stint in the corporate world also, like where you were managing, there was this company called as Events, and then you were also the manager at DPL also.
Hmm.
So could you please tell us about your
Hmm.
experience and in the corporate world, like how was it?
It was wonderful. I would like to say that in the consumer electronics field, I was one of the first women who was handling dealer network as well as institutional sales.
Oh,
Oh,
It was one
that's
of those
that's
great.
nice.
days in 91. It was predominantly a very male dominated thing.
Yeah.
I do not know of any other woman, whether it was in Samsung or Onida. These were the companies that time, my age group companies. None of them had a male person looking after institutional sales and the entire dealer network. And I also, along with Vijay Kanwal, he's a very big man now, but he was in Citibank, and Ajay Kanwal, sorry, not Vijay, Ajay
Oh,
Kanwal. So
Hmm.
he and I are the ones who started equated monthly installment, the whole concept of an EMI, giving
oh,
things to this. What we would do is go to any of these corporate people and tell them that,
hmm.
okay, the consumer electronics thing for your employees. It's a welfare scheme. You let the people buy it, you just cut the equated monthly installment from their thing and give it, and the bank would straight away come and take it. So the banker sitting on his in his office was getting such a huge order to work on. The corporates were like happy because all their people were getting it, and the manufacturers of the consumer electronics were also again happy that at one go they were getting so many, they were getting to sell so many things. So this whole concept was very new. So this equated monthly installment EMI thing was the first thing that we started. So I would like to, just
Yeah.
add on
I
board.
think,
I think.
yeah, like hearing about the whole concept of EMI, yeah. I
Yes.
think as students of, I think having learned banking law and, having some amount of knowledge about it, and I think, yeah, that's a really great initiative
So I
that you
think you
thought
are,
of.
I
Hmm.
think you have equally succeeded, whether it's the corporate sector or whether it's this ongoing stint that you have with
Yes.
like development of human and man and child and women
Yeah.
empowerment,
The whole
being
welfare
involved,
activities that
you
you
know,
undertake, yeah.
your organizational skills and your logistic skills and the way you manage everything. Because I think administration work is the backbone of everything which
Yes.
needs to be successful. If
Yeah.
it's not on point, बोलते हैं ना उबड़ खाबड़ हो जाता है, that's what everyone talks about.
Yeah.
And when it comes to you, people like talk about you a lot कि मैम के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्किल्स इतने अच्छे थे तभी प्रोजेक्ट सक्सेसफुल हुआ है
Yeah.
Right.
और तभी स्मूथली रन हुआ है.
But I'm very bad with your the computer knowledge and the MIS and all that. That the brain behind all that is Veena Pani. Veena Pani,
Oh.
and on the ground it is Smita, and
Hmm.
Yeah.
I have the experience. I think of
You have
working
the
so many
experience.
organizations, across the thing, whether it is a corporate, so that part of it. So all of us have our strengths and
Weaknesses.
yeah, and it is, see, the main thing, the backbone behind this, the ideas can be there, everything could be there, but you all know that it is finally finance that is required, money to drive whatever you want. And Veena successfully has been able to do that. There is something about the way she writes that is touching the right chord. So, a lot of people are doing good work, but to be able to project it in the right way and to have that kind of transparency, to give that kind of a feedback to the people who are giving you money, all these things also matter a lot. So she is handling that very well, and that is what the money comes in, so we can do more and more things. So it's all.
Ma'am, I think you're just using your advantages and weaknesses to your use. जो
Yes.
किसी का weak होगा, then the other person takes over. जो जिसका strong है, then the other person like does
Yes.
not like come forward that time.
Yeah.
So I think तीनों का coordination बहुत अच्छा रहा है. When we
It's
were
like the
talking,
three musketeers,
Three
we have
Musketeers.
there in the whole welfare activity area of
True
India.
example of women empowerment, live women empowerment that we see ongoing, especially with projects and relief work. तो मैम उसी के साथ साथ I wanted to ask you, like recently you were also involved in the Amphan relief work,
I beg your pardon?
in
But
the
what? Yes.
Amphan.
Yes. Yeah. Right.
Yeah, so tell us something about that.
That I think there are a few pakka houses. Jiska like there are I think 5 or 6 of those that have been repaired by us, and all the houses we've been giving them tarpaulin sheets and all to rebuild the houses. So we have done two-pronged thing. One is of course to rehabilitate them, and second is to provide continuously provide them the rations and soap and bleaching powder and whatever that is required for them to think. The roads are very bad there, and unfortunately, the administration has not reached and done what it should have done. So, uh, I think your Mr. Ranjit is from your building, right?
Yes,
Building
ma'am.
Dreams Foundation,
Yes,
yes, ma'am. We are also undertaking that.
Whatever work has been done there, it's all only thanks to Ranjit. Poor guy has not been able to get the administration to work there, and there is a lot of politics that is happening there. So the people were really suffering. So I would say you should really pat yourself on the back, because Building Dreams has done a fabulous work there. If it was not for you all, nothing would have happened in Purba.
Yeah.
That's why, like, we're really proud to be associated with this NGO. Like,
And
it's doing a
yeah.
variety of works in different states. So I think that is commendable, be it Bihar, be it Bengal, and and then it is doing really good networking, like associating itself with you people. And that
And I
is,
think, yeah, the whole collaboration aspect, where especially Building Dreams Foundation is coming in contact with be it Dorai Foundation or be it all other NGOs, and Ranjit sir, be it Surbhi ma'am, all of them handling the whole process.
the whole team is like a family.
Yeah, the whole team is like a family, and it's great to be associated with you people, with them, and yeah. So, ma'am, with the same as you.
Coming and meeting you all in Dehradun. I must tell you, Dehradun is my sasural. So whoever is in Dehradun, Ranjit and Purbi and all, I'm really looking forward to coming and meeting up.
Yeah.
I think they would be really happy to have you there in Dehradun with So, ma'am, with the same
No, which other places have you people, done big work like this? What you people have done in Purba? Which other places have you all been working in for this cyclone?
ma'am, I think it's Bihar and West Bengal specifically we have been working, and yeah, I think
And I think our recent work, it was basically involving, like, it was basically distributing pads and all to women. So that we are doing because COVID के time पे बहुत shortage हो रहा था.
हाँ.
Okay.
So we are focusing on that right now, because yesterday we were talking to one of our team members and they were like, some women in rural areas, they don't even know कि something like a pad exists.
Yeah. So, and with that is when we
So
we
that's the
conduct
sad
this
part.
whole hashtag Pad for All initiative that we have.
So these are our upcoming initiatives and the one that we are continuing with, especially during this COVID time.
Yeah. So, ma'am, with the ongoing, like, continuing with the spirit of the whole interview, as you already mentioned that how Veena Pani ma'am is the one who handles all the techie stuff, and how you are the one who handles the whole logistics and everything other all those parts, and how Sumitra ma'am is the one who does the on ground
Yeah.
work when she has to interact and everything. So I think this whole collaboration that you guys have, as you already told, it's working out in a very beautiful way.
We remember Veena ma'am telling us, जैसे आपने बोला.
Veena ma'am also said
Yeah.
described the same thing. Yeah,
And they
that
were
is
like,
how.
yeah. And they were like, and Veena ma'am was like, कि me and my team, like, we ensure कि हम लोगों को feedback दें. चाहे वो मांगे ना मांगे, it's like our duty to give them.
Absolutely.
NGOs, it's like you take money and then you don't know क्या हो रहा है.
Yeah.
So the whole reality of showing them, yes, we are putting your money to good use. That is also one other commendable thing about this whole partnering of
Yeah.
No, and
Yeah,
she
women
said
together.
that to somebody who's given even that 500 and 1,000 rupees, utilize for this, so now you drive this project. Itna kaam kaun karta hai? She's really been like work she's done.
Yeah, she did mention about accountability and trust and everything that NGOs need to develop.
And
So,
she gave us a very good message also, that do what works for you. Like Mama's stopped watching television news altogether. कि इतना हो रहा है, cases हो रहे हैं, so I've stopped watching. So she was also like emphasizing on mental health. And similarly, when you talk about mental health, it feels really good.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people in the similar age group, they just think like, ठीक है, physically अच्छे हैं तो सब fit है. But you don't know the traumas someone is undergoing. And when you emphasize on that, ma'am, it feels really good.
I'm so happy that you feel so. And you must come and visit our depot station and sometimes come and see what kind of work is done and how it is done. It is nice, it's
Sure,
a learning process for everybody. We,
Yeah.
We'll surely learn
Yeah,
more
yeah.
if we come, and we promise you we will come and
We'll
we'll let you
come,
know.
yeah, sure,
We'll keep you on a loop when we come.
Yeah. And ma'am, with this only, like as I was telling about, the whole organizational skills of all three of you. So ma'am, what all message would you like to give to, all those small NGOs that, are working on, building and collaborating and helping out in the whole welfare aspect of society in general. So what all message do you have for them?
I think you people are doing a brilliant job. you are like one of the pillars on which India is standing. You know,
Thank
please
you so
keep
much, ma'am.
the brass tracks of a country, going, which is secularism. Uh, that the unity in diversity, these things have to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
always kept intact at the back of your mind. And please keep doing the selfless work. Not everybody gets a platform where you can get appreciated or you can get your moment of fame, but regardless the work that you're doing, if you have that, it gives you that self satisfaction that you're changing lives and touching lives. That is like the most worthwhile thing that you can do with your time. So please continue the very good work that you're doing, and don't let small setbacks deter you. There
Yeah.
are going to be a lot of challenges that will come your way, but look what you're doing. You people are actually reaching out to the neediest of the needy, and making an impact there, and changing lives. So what can be
So,
more noble than you guys are
yeah,
doing?
thank you so much, ma'am.
And
And
ma'am,
we are, I think we both are really proud, and all those users. And I think
so ma'am,
we are
we
really
would,
proud to be, part of
yeah,
Building Dreams Foundation and the whole
and
message that you gave about the same.
and we would like to sneak this as an opportunity and ask you, ma'am, थोड़ी tips दे दो when it comes to like developing our NGO more and for us people as well.
uh, you need to have somebody like Bina Pani on board who will give that put the correct picture in front of people, because uh, transparency, like I said, transparency and projection are also a very important part of the work that you're doing, so that it's for not for fame or anything. It is just to help build the trust, so that people are more comfortable reaching out to you all, giving you more work and giving you more money. So that kind of feedback, transparency and integrity are very, very important. That,
Ma'am, like we're very lucky that we had you today on the show, like we have you on the show. And with this, the last question from my side, what message would you like to give to all our viewers here?
oh, please. I mean, look at these young girls and boys who are like leaving their lucrative careers aside and doing so much of work. And the least I think all of us can do is support you all, and reach out whenever there is a natural calamity, or whenever you feel that there is a requirement and the country needs you. You don't have to be a soldier fighting at the border. Each one of us
Yeah.
soldier at home. Please get up, do something. Just don't sit there and watch news and pass comments on that. We all have it in us to make an impact and to change the things around us, and we must get up and change things around us. That is,
Absolutely, absolutely.
we are all soldiers of this. So
I think, ma'am, those were the golden words when you said, that
Yeah.
we need not be a soldier fighting at the borders. We can, act right there wherever we are, because we all have that, will somewhere inside us. But it's just that, that spark needs to be ignited,
absolutely,
to actually, put all those efforts into the right place.
totally.
And yes, ma'am. And I think it was great to have you on board with us.
Thank
And
Thank you, ma'am, for
thank you
giving
so
us
much,
your
ma'am.
precious time.
Yeah.
you
And it
so
was lovely, getting that the whole new picture about, about the whole three musketeers that you three really
Even
powerful women. Yeah.
Veena Pani ma'am told us कि Sapna Chawla ma'am पता नहीं कैसे कर लेती है. She does it, and that is why I'm able to do it smoothly. You are like I'm able to do it smoothly because she handles this and this.
yes.
So
Yeah.
it's all praising to get each other so much, and live example of women empowerment that we are seeing. So
Yes.
ma'am, thank you for also associating with BDF and for be coming today live with
Yeah.
us.
And
Thank
it
you.
was really, really great to have you on board with us. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
God
Thank
bless.
you.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Yeah.
Bye.